What's up, wagwan my peeps? Welcome back to your girl Tiona Brown Sugar in the house. And guys, today for breakfast or maybe for brunch or lunch, I am making Jamaican and one of Jamaican national dish, Ackee and Saltfish. Some people call it codfish, but good Jamaican people know it as Ackee and Saltfish. And to go along with that, I'm gonna make some plantains and fried dumplings. So I'll just show you what I'm gonna make. So stay with me, okay guys? I have my vegetable here, my scallion, my onion, my garlic, my tomato, half of sweet pepper, and a little bit of thyme. So I'm cooking my saltfish. So I'm going to make my dumplings. So this is self-raising flour. You can go ahead and you can just use the regular all-purpose flour and add some baking powder. But this comes with salt and baking powder already. So all you have to do is just add what you like to it. I'm going to use about half of this. About that amount, and to this I'm gonna add some milk, add a little bit of sugar. You can use the brown sugar, like that. I have some oil in my frying pan and I'm going to make some dumplings. You can make it to the size you want. I like to make mine like this small. Guys, while those are frying, this is another way you can make the dumplings. All you have to do, grab some dough and you want to wheel it. And I'm going to fry it after. These are ready to come out, all golden brown. And you want to drain them on a paper towel. Just throw them on into the oil and then you're going to turn them. I'm just going to fry some plantains. I like to cut it down the middle. I find it way easier. My saltfish, I cooked it just put some water on it and boil it a few times. So you get it like this, and then I pick it up. So this is my saltfish or codfish, some people call it, and my ackee is right there. So I add my coconut oil, and now I'm gonna saute my vegetable. I'm gonna combine all of this together. Just let it get a little bit of color and flavor. Then I'm gonna add my saltfish and then my ackee. I'm gonna add my saltfish to this. I'm gonna add my ackee. I drain it after it's been cooked. Add all of that to it. I'm just gonna fold it into it. So guys, this is the final result. My Jamaican ackee and saltfish and good fried dumplings with some fried plantain. I'm gonna dish some out and then I'm gonna show you. This is the end result. I have a lot over there, and this is what I dish out. My good Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Serve up with some fried dumpling and plantain, and I serve that with some hot coffee. You can use hot cocoa, Milo, whatever you like, but guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love guys, and be blessed. Mwah, mwah.